Hello students, we are studying, this is class 9th. We are studying the fundamental unit of life. And in this we are studying about the plasma membrane or the cell membrane. About its structure we have discussed last time and also discussed about the diffusion. Water also follow the law of diffusion. Water also follow the law of diffusion, and the diffusion of water molecules through a selectively permeable membrane is called as osmosis. Is called as osmosis. So the movement of water molecules through the semi-permeable membrane is also affected by solute molecules movement of, actually water is a solvent. Water is a solvent. Its movement also affected by the amount of the solute substances. So let us discuss in more detail. So about the osmosis. So the osmosis is the movement of, osmosis is the movement of osmosis is the movement of movement of the passage, is the movement of the passage, is the movement or passage of water molecules. Water molecules, solvent, we can use the term solvent. So osmosis is the movement of water molecules from a region of molecules from a region of high water concentration, region of high concentration via a semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane to a region of its, to a region of low water concentration is called. So osmosis is the movement of water molecules from origin of high concentration via, it is better to pass through a semi permeable membrane to a region of low water concentration. It is called osmosis. It is called the osmosis. So I told you the flow of water also follow the law of diffusion, and when its movement takes place via a semi-permeable membrane or selectively permeable, it is called as the osmosis. So when a cell is kept in when a cell is kept so when a cell may be either plant cell or animal cell, when a cell is kept in a sugar or salt solution, there are three possibilities. There are three possibilities. So, three possibilities may be there. What may first possibility? What may be first possibilities may be there? If the medium surrounding the cell has more water concentration has more water concentration. Cell has more means high. Has high if the medium surrounding the cell has high water concentration, the water enters into cell and cell becomes swell. So such solution is called as the hypotonic solution. So if three possibilities are there, one possibility, cell maybe swells up. So if the medium surrounding the cell has high water concentration, the water enters into the cell and the cell becomes the swells. Has a higher has a higher water concentration. This is a little more correct sentence. If the medium surrounding the cell has a higher water concentration, the water enters into the cell and cell become the swells. Swell up. How this happen? Suppose this is cell is kept. This cell is kept in the water. All the sides water surrounding the cell, and it is the cell. So cell have the higher concentration to outside. Cell having the higher water concentration outside in comparison to the inside. Then what will happen? Waters will move from outside to inside. Water moves from outside to inside the cell. At the movement of the water takes place in both the direction. Since plasma membrane is selectively permeable membrane, so water moves in both the direction, from the cell to outside and from outside inside the cell. But the more water enters inside the cell in comparison to water coming out. So, as a result, a more amount of water enters inside the cell and the cell become the swells up. Cell become the swells up. What happens in this condition? Cells become the swells up. Here it happens. This cell. So in this situation you can find here, this is water molecules, and more amount of these water molecules come from outside to inside the cell. That is why this cell become the of only few amount of water, since more amount of water present here. So cell, what happens? swell up. In first situation may be there. In this situation, we can say that the solution is hypotonic. Solution surrounding the cell is hypotonic. Let us discuss about what hypotonic solution, isotonic solution, and the so many type of solutions are there. So this is hypotonic. So what happens? Once again, you see three possibilities are there. In one possibility, more waters come inside this cell, and the cell becomes the swells up. If cell swells up, it means this medium surrounding the cell is hypotonic. So here the this tells that surrounding solution is hypotonic. Solution is surrounding solution is hypotonic. Now second possibility. What is the second possibility? If the medium and the second possibilities may be there, that if second possibility, if the medium surrounding the cell, if the medium surrounding the cell has exact concentration, there will be no effect on the cell. Second situation may be there. If what is second situation? In the second situation is there. This is cell, and this is surrounding medium and contain the water. Water surround the cell, and here some water may also found inside the cell. So here the movement of water takes place in the both the inside the cell, water will come, and outside also water will move. Here also you can make some diagram on water outside. But in this situation, the same amount of the water enters inside the cell and goes outside the cell. So in this way, net movement of water will be zero, and there will no effect on the cell. There will be no effect on the cell. There will be no effect on the cell. So here in second stage, no effect on the cell. It means here no effect means there is no change in the shape of the cell. In the first situation, we see that the cell becomes swells up, and second, there is no change in the shape of the cell. So it means the solution is isotonic. So second situation, surrounding solution is isotonic. So one term you listen hypotonic, next one is the isotonic. So two situation, two possibilities you have studied. Now one third possibility. What may be of the third possibility? So this is first possibility, this is second possibility. Now third possibility. What is third possibility? This is now this is third possibility what we have to study. The third possibility. What will be the third possibility? This is third possibilities. If the medium surrounding the cell has a lower water concentration, the water moves out the cell and cell becomes shrink. So in third situation, we have to see what happened in third situation. Suppose this is the cell, and inside the cell, or we say that the outside the cell has a very low concentration of water. Then what will happen? Cell became shrinks. There is shrinkage of the cell. And here more water will come outside and cell become the shrink. Shrinkage of cell. What happens there? If the medium surrounding the cell has a lower water concentration, the water moves out the cell and cell becomes shrink. At the movement of the water takes place in the both the direction. Movement of water takes place in both the direction, outside and inside the cell. But more water moves outside the cell in comparison to the waters come inside the cell. So overall, more water moves in from the cell to outside in the medium. That is why cell become the shrink. So the solution which surround the cell is hypertonic. The solution surrounding the cell is hypertonic. So in this way we can find the nature of the solution by keeping the cell inside the solution. If the cell becomes swells up, the surrounding solution is hypertonic, and if there is no effect on the shape of the cell, the solution is isotonic, and if the cell becomes shrinks, the solution is hypertonic. Solution is hypertonic. So one activity is there. So next time we will discuss about the activity. Thank you. That's for today.